Hi everyone and welcome to the first episode in 2026. Yesterday we had snow. I decided to go out and to see if I can make some nice photos of birds in the snow. Right here on my window I have a bird feeder and birds come there and then they perch on this tree here or trees over there. I also took a walk around the neighborhood to see if there are any other birds. There's a crow on this rooftop and with white sky behind it and white snow, just in the photos it looks like it's sitting in the white, like it's in heaven. After a short walk through neighborhood and I saw only crows, I'm coming back to my feeder to see if birds got there, because they were a little scared when I went out. There is also blackbird. I don't know if you can hear it on this video. Photos of blackbirds in snow are great, but this one is in dense branches and it's a little bit far away. That's it for this episode. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.